9.
Okay. All right, so let's do that chapter then, algebraic expressions and identity. Okay, so what do you understand by an algebraic expression, Hiba?
It's like an expression with variables.
Okay, and it also has constants, right?
Yeah.
So algebraic expression, we studied it in previous class also, that it has variables and it has constants. Okay. All right. So we also studied in the previous class, meaning in your 7th grade, we also studied about what are the coefficients, what are the different terms, right? Remember all that?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we are going to study about how to add different algebraic expressions. Okay. So, just like we have fractions, when we have, for example, if we have 1/4 plus 2/4, sorry, 2/4, can you add both of them? Can you write it as 3/4 simply? Can you just add the numerators?
Yeah.
Yes, you can, because they are like fractions.
Like fractions.
What is the meaning of like fractions? What is the meaning of like fractions?
Like the variables or the denominators are same.
Yeah, the denominator, in case of fraction, the denominator is the same. So in the case of like terms, when you're talking about like terms meaning the variables and the powers of the variables are exactly the same, right?
Yeah.
Are the same. So what does that mean? For example, if you have x square y and xy square, they both have x and they both have y, but are they like terms?
No, they are not.
They're not like terms, right? So
Yeah.
let's come to the first exercise.
Okay.
Because this is the first exercise, is just very basic stuff that you have already done in the previous classes. So it's just a revision.
By the way, can you explain me what are those monomials, binomials, and polynomials?
Yes.
Polynomials.
Okay. So you studied this in the previous thing as well, but let's just revise it. So a monomial, mono means one, right? So where there is only one term, it's called monomial. Where there are two terms, it
Binomial.
is called a binomial. Two terms. When there are three terms, it is called a trinomial. Okay, just like triangle, three terms, tri. Then poly means more than three. Okay, three or more than three. Okay, so
Okay.
basically all of these are polynomials. Actually, all of these are polynomials, but in general, polynomials are any algebraic expressions. This you will study in your 9th grade as well. You'll study more about polynomials. But right now, if anyone,
Polynomials are, how do we know if a term is a trinomial or polynomial?
a term is not this thing. See what kind of questions you may get is you may get questions like, for example, write which one of the like write whether each of the following is a monomial, binomial, or trinomial, or what it is. Okay, so if you get something like 2x square plus 3x, what is this? This has two terms, right? This has two terms, so it is a binomial. Okay. Hmm?
Okay.
And then if you have something like 2xy minus 3y square plus 4x, this is going to be a trinomial. You'll just count the number of terms. If it is something more than 3, then you will say it is a polynomial. If it is 1, if it has only 1, you will say mono. If it has 2, you'll say bi. It has 3, you'll say tri. If it has more than 3, then we don't have a particular name for it. We just call it polynomial. Okay.
Okay.
So come to the first question. So the first question is saying add the following. Mm, I believe the first part you can do by yourself. Please try it. Okay. Please mark it as homework.
In that, we just have to write monomial or binomial and all
Yeah.
that.
No. In that you just have to write. See, Hiba, I am referring to the new version of the textbook. Like, I am not referring to the deleted portions. Is there anything deleted from this exercise?
No.
Actually, the book I have is the new version. What is the first question in your book?
Identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions.
Okay, fine. Acha, wait a minute. Let me just search for the old version of the textbook. Hmm. Yeah, I don't have the old version of the textbook anyway. So yeah, you just tell me what is the first one?
Uh, the first question.
Yeah.
It is 5xyz squared minus 3zy.
3zy. Yeah. So is this a monomial or binomial or trinomial?
Binomial.
Very good. Then
Uh, then 1 plus x squared. This is trinomial.
very good. Then
Then 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. This is trinomial.
very good.
And then 3 minus pq plus qr plus rp is polynomial.
Okay,
Then
good.
x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy. This is trinomial.
This is a trinomial.
Then
Good.
0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5b. This is trinomial.
Hmm. And
That's
that's
it.
it. Okay,
Yeah.
what about this? What about this? What about this?
This is binomial.
It's a binomial. See, you have to
No,
separate
wait.
all the terms. There should be no bracket. It should be like 2a plus 2b minus
It will
4.
be trinomial.
Trinomial. Acha, what about this? What about this?
Um, it will be like xy divided by 1.
Okay,
Then I think it will be polynomial.
this is a trinomial, bache, because, and this is called a polynomial. Okay, what is it?
Polynomial.
Huh. So this one, it's not a polynomial, it is a trinomial, because you will, again, the same thing which we did over here. We will just separate it. We will separate the x and the y. X by 4 plus y by 4 minus xy. So this is trinomial. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. All right. So next question, Hiba. Can you tell me what's the next one?
Classify the following. This I can do.
Okay.
It's just,
Then
yeah. And then add the following.
add the following. Okay.
This one also
So
I can do.
you
This
can
whole
do this.
exercise. Yeah.
The whole exercise you can do. Acha, fine. We will just take one question. We'll just take
Okay.
one question from this. Add the following. We will take this one. Third one we will take. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4, comma 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. So just replace the comma with a plus because you're
Plus.
supposed to add.
Yeah.
Then
Then it will be in a bracket we will write 2p square q square minus 3p square q square, then
hmm.
bracket and then plus, then minus 3pq plus 7pq, then
Okay. So
plus.
see, you don't have to necessarily write the brackets. Okay, it's not necessary. Why? Because you can just do it without the bracket itself. We have to just, what you need to do is, see, brackets are not wrong. You can do that as well. But I'm just telling you that even without the brackets, you can do it. You have to just rearrange the terms. You have to just rearrange the terms and bring the like terms together. Remember, we used to do this
Yeah,
in seventh grade also. So now,
it will be p square q square plus
no,
um
not p square q square. It will be minus p square q square.
yeah, that's it,
Why?
minus because of 3.
Because of minus 3. Then,
Yeah. And then it will be um plus uh
yeah,
plus 4
4 pq.
pq, and then
Then
plus 9.
plus 9. Okay, so this thing you can do. Then you have subtract.
Yeah.
So this
um
subtract this from this. Okay, so which one should be first? The second expression which is given. The second one should be first. Okay, this is the second one minus the first one.
yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
So let's just do one thing over here. Okay. So we have the first one, which is subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So from this, we have to subtract what? Minus. Now you will put a bracket. Over here, you will put a bracket because there is a minus sign in front of the bracket. So you have to be very careful and you have to put the bracket. So now when you open the bracket and you bring the like terms together, what will happen, Hiba? What will it become?
The this will be like because of the minus, the signs will change inside the bracket.
Very good. Then
Then we write 12a minus 9a plus 5
minus
minus
4a.
9ab.
Just a minute. 12a. See, you're right. We will first write this minus this entire thing. Okay. But what I'm doing is I'm skipping that step and I'm just doing it directly.
Okay.
12a minus 4a. Okay. So what I'm doing
minus
is I'm
4a
writing.
plus
Hmm.
7ab. Then
Then
minus
then we will do one thing. Then we will write this term and then this term. Okay. So minus 9ab plus 7ab.
plus 7ab. Then plus
Then
5b minus
very good.
3b.
Very good.
Then minus 3 minus 12.
Very good. So this becomes what?
Um, uh, 9a minus
9a. Bache,
uh,
what is 12 minus 4?
minus 4 8, sorry, 8a
Hmm.
minus
8a.
minus 2ab
Very good.
plus 1, sorry, plus
Why 1?
2b.
Then
Then minus 15, sorry, 16.
15, 15.
15.
Hmm. Okay. So this is the answer. So this thing you can do by yourself, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now let's come to the second exercise. And since there were a lot of classes which you have not attended, so we have to quickly move forward. So we will try to move quickly, but just let me know if there is anything that you're not understanding at any point. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the first question according to your book?
Find the product of the following pairs of monomials.
Okay, good. So the first one is 4 comma 7p. What is going to be the product?
28p.
28p. Now let's do something a little more difficult. How about a third one? Minus
Uh,
4p, comma
it will
7pq.
be minus 28p square q.
Minus 28p square q. Very good. Now let's come to the second question. What is the second question in your book?
Find the areas of rectangles with the
Okay.
following pairs of monomials.
Okay. So as their lengths and breadths, right? So just they're asking you find the area. What does that mean? If this is the length and this is the breadth and this is, like, let's say, the length, what is going to be the area? It is going to be length into breadth, right?
Yeah.
So over here you have to just multiply the two expressions that are given. So again, over here also you have to multiply. So it's going to be the same thing. How about this one? 3mn. Let's say if there is a rectangle whose length is 3mn and the breadth is 4np. What will be the area?
It will be 12 mn square p.
Very good. Okay. The complete the table of products, that also you can do.
Yes.
Okay. Obtain the volume of rectangular boxes, that also you can do, or let's just do one of them. Okay.
Okay. This we just
X,
have to
Y.
multiply, right?
Yeah. X, Y, 2. Because volume is again what? Length into breadth into height. So you have to just
Yeah.
multiply each of them. So what is going to be this thing?
It will be 4 uh
Hmm.
x x 5. No, x 4.
X to the power 4 and
Then uh um y also 4.
by ki power 4. Very good. Okay, Hiba. Then the fifth one is also simple. Obtain the product of this, and this. Okay,
Okay.
you can do this.
Yeah.
All right,
Can
let's move
you
on to the, yeah.
tell how to do the last one, fifth question?
Can you tell me which
M
question? M.
M M comma minus mn comma mnp.
M and P. You tell me how to do this.
Um,
You tell me. You have to just
m-
multiply each of these.
minus
Okay.
m raised to the power 3,
Very good.
then n square and p.
That's it. You only told me the answer. I didn't have to tell you anything. Got it? Hmm?
Yeah.
Doubt is cleared. So
Yes.
any other question in this exercise that you think you need help with, we will clear it out.
No, there is no
No.
doubt.
Okay, good. Then uh let's do the next exercise.
Carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs.
Yes. So let's do a little bit difficult one in this because they're also again simple, okay? So a plus b multiplied with 7a square b square. So what is it going to become? 7a square
7
b.
a square, 7a
Huh?
square b square multiplied
Hmm.
by a plus b.
Hmm. What will it become?
And then 7 raised to the power, sorry, 7a raised to the power 3 plus
Hmm.
7b raised to the power 3.
Okay, wait. See, see, bache, it is basically you are multiplying this thing with a also and then adding it with the same thing multiplied with b also. So what does that mean? 7a square b square multiplied with a plus 7a square b square multiplied with b.
b.
So when you multiply 7a square b square with a, what do you get?
7a raised to the power 3 b square.
B square. Then the next term,
7a raised to the power 3, sorry, a raised to the power 2 b
mhm,
a cube.
b cube. So 7a cube b square plus 7a square b cube. This is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Acha, can you tell me what would be the answer of the fifth part of this question? PQ plus QR plus RP multiplied with 0.
It is it is going to be 0 because
It is going to
anything
be 0.
multiplied by 0 is 0.
Very good. Okay. Then, acha, let me give you one more thing. Mm, minus a. Okay, wait. Okay. Minus AB multiplied with A plus B plus AB. Yeah.
Um minus ab multiplied by a plus b plus ab in a
Yeah.
bracket, then minus a raised to the power 3
How 3?
uh because
You're multiplying AB
no, no,
with
no, sorry,
A, right?
minus a raised to the power 2b.
Minus A square B.
Yeah, then
Then
sorry, plus
hmm,
minus a b square,
hmm, very good.
then minus a
Hmm.
um wait, why are we writing minus instead? It should be plus, right?
You only told me minus AB because it's minus outside, na? This minus is being multiplied with everything.
Oh yeah. Then minus a square b square.
Very good. So this is going to be the answer. I think you will be able to solve anything now. Let's just do one question like this. Hmm. Just a minute. Yeah. Can you do this?
Um,
Just a minute. I'm making some changes to the question. Yeah. Now. Hiba, you there?
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
How will we do this?
See, what are we multiplying? This is one term or one monomial. This is another monomial. This is another monomial. This is another. So there are basically four monomials that we are multiplying over here. So just you have to cancel over here. That's all you have to do. So you see, what is a square over here? If you have a square, right? A
Yeah.
square, and you have here a cube. So you just start canceling one by one. So when you cancel a square with a cube, only one power of a will be remaining. Yes.
Yeah.
So this thing we got it. Then b. When you cancel b with b square, only one power of b will be remaining.
Yes.
When you cancel now this c, when you cancel it with c cube, two
One.
powers of c will be remaining, because over here it is c and here it is
Yeah.
c
Yeah.
cube.
3
So
minus 1.
3 minus 1 is 2. So here now c to the power 2 and here also c to the power 2. So these two get cancelled. Now what are we left with? We are left with over
Minus
here a
minus
and
a.
over here also a. So minus a
Yeah.
square, because we have two a's over here.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Then
And
b
b,
b b4.
b to the power 4. So that is the answer. Did you understand this question?
Yes.
Do this question which is given in your book. Question number 3, part 3. See, the ones that we are not doing, they are very simple ones. So I am expecting that you will solve them on your own. Yes?
Can you write the question?
Yeah, I'm writing the question. The ones that we are not doing, especially that's the table and all those, please do them
Yeah.
on your own, okay?
Okay. We will cancel 10 and 5. So it will be minus 2 by 3.
And then what about 3 and 6? Can we cancel them?
Yeah, it will be on 6, it will be 2.
Good.
And
Then
then it will be 4
4 or
p
minus 4?
ra- sorry, minus 4 p raised to the power 4 q raised to the
Hmm.
power 4.
Very good. Then the next question is x into x square into x cube into x to the power 4.
X raised to the power 10.
Okay, very good. Uh, hmm. Next, we have this says you have to simplify this and find its values for x equals 3 and x equals half. So let's simplify it. 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3.
Three.
So first we need to
Uh,
simplify it.
12x
12x.
x square
Then
minus 15x
minus 15x. Very good. Then
plus 3.
plus 3. So this we need to find the value of this for x equals 3. What does it become?
12, 12 multiplied by 9
Very good.
minus 15 multiplied by 3
3. Then
plus 3.
plus 3. So this becomes
108.
Okay.
Plus 4 minus 45 plus 3. And then
This becomes
66.
very good. 66. So for x equals 3, we have found. Now we have to find for x equals 1 by 2. This
So
will be equal to
12x squared minus 15x plus 3.
yeah. So in place of x, we have to put
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Then this will become
Uh, minus 15.
just a minute. 1 by 2 ka square. What is 1? Chalo fine. Let's just write it like this. Minus 15, 1 by 2 plus 3. Okay. Because in place of x, what are we writing? 1 by 2.
Yeah.
Now find this.
6 square
6 square. How?
because we can cancel 12.
No. You cannot cancel it like this. First, you have to find the square of this term inside the bracket.
Oh,
Okay. See,
um,
remember, always bracket always means that whatever is inside the bracket is safeguarded. It is safe from the outside world. Okay.
okay. So it will be 1 by 4.
Yes. So it will be 12 into 1 by 4, or in other words, 12 by 4.
So we can cancel it.
Yes, we can cancel
3.
it. 3 minus 15 by
2.
2 plus
3.
then
Then we can add 3 and we can add
and
3. It will
3.
be 6 minus 15 by 2.
Very good. 15 by 2 is what? 7.5, right?
Yeah. The whole
So
answer will
6
be
minus 7.5.
minus 3 by 2.
Very good. Minus 3 by 2. So similarly, you have the next question as well. Simplify a into a square plus
Can
a
you
plus
give
1.
me a minute to write it down?
Uh-huh. Hello. Are you there, Hiba?
Sorry, my mic was muted.
Okay. Yes. Shall we move forward?
Yeah.
All right. So coming to the next question. They're all similar questions. We will just go to the next one. Acha, you're supposed to add add p minus q minus r, and r minus p. So what will this become?
Um, P square minus PQ
Very good.
plus Q square minus R
Minus r
minus QR plus
minus
R
qr.
square minus RP.
Very good. Now we will bring the. Do we have any like terms here? No, we don't, right?
No.
We don't have any like terms. But you know what we do? Just to make it look pretty, we do one thing. We will just write p square and q square and r square together. Then we will write minus pq minus qr minus rp. Okay?
Okay. That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Then I think the rest of the questions are also similar. Just take a look at these questions and tell me if there's anything you think we should do. Take a look at it and tell me.
The fifth question.
And any question from the exercise that we have left that you think we should do in the class.
The fifth one, third part.
Third part. 3l l minus 4m plus 5n. That one.
Yeah.
Just a minute. I'm getting a call here. But
Okay.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है अभी तो मैं क्लास कर रही हूँ उसके बाद आप yes Hiba. So this one, right? 3l l minus 4m.
Yeah.
Okay. So subtract this from, so that from thing we will write first. Now this thing minus the first one that is given, l minus 4m plus 5n. So first of all, we will open the brackets. What will it become?
Um, 4, sorry, 10 ln, sorry, 40
10.
ln
40 ln
minus 12 ln lm,
lm
then minus 8 l square,
minus
plus
plus 8 l square. Then
minus 3 l square,
minus 3l square. Then
plus 12 lm
plus 12 lm. Very good. Then
minus 15 ln.
ln. Now let's gather together the like terms. Ln
Like
is the first term and ln is the last term.
40 ln
So,
minus 50 ln.
and what does it become? 40 minus 15?
25. ln
25. ln, very good. Then
as 0 lm. You won't write that.
very good, very good. So it is going to be 0. Then
Then wait, 20, 24.
24. बच्चे 8l square
Sorry,
minus 3l square, right?
sorry. 5 l square. 5 l raised to
Very
power
good.
4.
Not 4. How will it be 4?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Are
Sorry,
we
l square.
multiplying them? No. Yes, so it will be l square. This is the answer.
Okay.
Any other questions that you want to do?
Um, no, from this exercise, no.
No, you can do the rest of them on your own.
Yes.
I will ask you in the next question, in the next class. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
So let's come to the next exercise. Before coming to the exercise, let's do a question. See, what is, let's say, a plus 7 multiplied by b minus 5? So even if I don't put the multiplication sign, you know that they are both multiplied with each other, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what it will be?
No.
See, in such questions, when you have two brackets that are being multiplied with each other, the first term multiplied with the entire bracket plus the second term multiplied with the entire bracket. Okay, so how does this work? A multiplied by b minus 5 plus 7 multiplied by b minus 5. Okay,
Which question is this?
this is not in the exercise. I'm just giving you a separate question. Okay,
Okay.
so did you get this part, what I just said?
Yeah.
So then we will do this AB minus 5A, like normally 7B minus 35. So this is going to be your answer. Okay, now now let's come to the exercise. Exercise 8.4. First question. 2x plus 5 multiplied with 4x minus 3.
2x, 4x minus 3
2x multiplied with 4x minus 3. Then
plus,
hmm,
with y plus
because there is plus over here, plus 5. So we are going to
oh,
write plus 5.
5x multiplied by, sorry,
No, not
5
x.
multiplied by 4x
Hmm,
minus 3.
good. So then we will just open the bracket
8x squared
and
minus 6 plus
minus 8x
6.
square minus 6 what?
6.
That's it, only 6.
6x.
Hmm.
Then plus 20x
Hmm.
minus 15.
Very good. So can we solve these two things? They are like terms.
Yeah.
What will it become?
Um, 15
No, no, no. The thing in the middle. The x terms, the terms which have x, they are like
minus
terms, na?
15x.
But say what is minus 6 plus 20?
20 minus 6.
What is 20 minus 6?
Oh, sorry, 14.
14,
14x.
right? Fine. So 14x. Uh-oh. 14x. Fine. So this is the final answer. Now let's do some more questions from the same thing. Huh. I think the second one you can do by yourself. It is simpler than the first one. Then the third one, let's do it. Third one says 2.5L minus 0.5M multiplied by 2.5L
2.5
plus
plus 0.5
0.5M.
m.
Hmm.
So
Now, what do we?
2.5 L
Acha, Hiba, tell
multiplied
me one
by,
thing. Do you
yeah,
remember this identity A plus B into A minus B?
yeah,
What was this equal to? Hmm?
0.
No, 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 no. We are multiplying both of them. Hmm? Do you remember this was A square minus B square? Do you remember this?
Yeah, yeah,
Hmm? So
yeah.
can you see
So it
that
will be,
this is A? See,
yeah,
what we have here is A minus B into A, the same A plus B. Can you see here?
yeah,
So it will be according to the identity, it will be what? A square
um,
minus B square.
yeah,
Yeah, A
yeah.
square minus B square. So 2.5L whole square minus 0.5M whole square. And you know what? Let's just do one thing. We will come to this step in a while. We will first do it in the normal way which we used to do. Okay. 2.5L into this bracket. 2.5L plus 0.5M. Then, Hiba, minus 0.5M, this thing,
And
into,
um 2.5 L plus 0.5 m.
huh. Now, what is 2.5L into 2.5L? 2.5L whole square, right?
Yeah,
Plus 2.5 into 0.5. What is 2.5 into 0.5? 125, sorry, 1.25.
yeah, ln.
LM. Now look at this. What is this going to be?
This is going to be 1 point,
Minus
yeah, minus 1.25
25
ml.
ml. ML and LM, is it the same thing or different?
Same thing. So
Same
we
thing.
can
So I'm
also
just going to
write
write
ln
LM. LM minus
minus minus
0.5 m whole
0.5.
square. Okay. So do you see
Okay.
that how these two are getting cancelled here?
Yeah.
And that is how we are getting 2.5 L whole square minus 0.5 m whole square.
All right.
Got it?
Yeah.
So now what is 2.5 ka whole square? What is 25 ka square?
25 square.
Yeah, what is 25 square?
Um,
I asked you to remember these squares and square roots.
6.25.
Very good. So 25 ka square is 625. So 2.5 ka square is 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square.
M square.
Your answer. Okay.
Okay.
Acha Hiba, in your school, which exercise are they on?
9.3.
The third one. Okay. So next question. Fourth part also I think you can do easily. Let's do the sixth one. 3 by
Okay.
4a square plus 3b square into 4 times a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Hmm. So let's start multiplying it. First of all, we will take the 4 outside because it has nothing to do with everything else. So we will just keep it outside. Then 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square. Please keep writing it simultaneously. A square. If you want me to stop anywhere, just tell me and I'll stop.
Okay.
Hmm. So now we will start dealing with these two brackets. So 4 as it is outside, and we will make a bigger bracket. Now tell me, Hiba, one by one.
Um, 3, like,
3 by 4 a square multiplied with this entire bracket, right?
yeah,
Tell me.
a square minus 2 by 3, uh, b square
Very good. Then
plus 3b square multiplied by the whole thing, the right thing. A square minus 2b square divided by 3.
okay. So the 4 will be as it is because right now we are not interfering with that. Then let's just open these two brackets. The first bracket,
3 by 4
yes,
a raised to the power 4
very good. Then
minus 2 by 3, sorry, no, minus 6 by 12, a
very
raised to
good,
the power 2, b raised to the power 2,
very good. Then
plus 3b square a square.
I will just write a square b square. Okay. Then
Okay. Minus 6 by 9.
6 by
B
3
square,
bache. 6 by 3.
oh sorry, yeah. 6 by 3, b raised
Hmm.
to the power 4.
B raised to the power 4. Okay. Now there are some cancellations to be made. First of all, this 6 by 12 will become 1 by 2,
Yeah.
and
And
this 6
then
by 3 will become 2.
2.
Now we will see what all like terms do we have. These two are like terms.
1 by 2 a square b square plus a square b square.
No, this is 3 bache. Here we have 3. The coefficient is 3. So what is 3? And this is minus 1 by 2. What is 3 minus 1 by 2? What is 3 minus half? 2 and a half, right?
Yeah.
And 2 and a half can be written as 5 by 2.
Yes.
See, 2 and a half. This can be written as 2 twos are 4
5
plus 1
plus 1.
5. So 5 by 2. So minus or plus plus 5 by 2 a square b square minus 2b to the power 4, and this thing we are to multiply this entire thing with 4. So now when you multiply the entire thing with 4, open the bracket, what will this become?
Um 3 12 by 4.
Okay,
Sorry.
see, instead of multiplying it, see, I know it is going to become 12 by 4, but can we just write 4 into 3 by 4 like this? Hmm?
Yeah.
So this 4 and 4 will get cancelled, na?
Yeah, and then 3
Yeah, 3 will
a
remain. So instead of multiplying it first and then canceling it later, I will just see over here that this 4 and this 4 are automatically getting cancelled. So I will just cancel this 4. Okay. I will not cut this outer wala 4, because if I cut it, then I might get confused later on that, oh, do I have to multiply it with the other terms or not? So that is why I will not cut the 4. I will just cut the small one. Okay. Or if you want,
Okay.
let's just do it like this: 4 into 3 by 4, a to the power 4, plus 4 into 5 by 2, a square b square, minus 4 twos are 8, b to the power 4. So this 4 gets cancelled, 2 twos are 4 over here. So here we are left with 3a to the power 4 plus, now what is 2 fives are?
10.
10a square b square
10
minus
square b
8b to
square.
the power 4. This is the answer.